In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Gmail with Trello. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow by allowing you to manage your Trello boards right from your Gmail inbox. So let's dive in and set this up together. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Gmail account, open your favorite web browser and log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're in Gmail, turn your attention to the right hand side of the screen. You'll notice a small plus symbol, click on that. This step is actually about adding a new feature to your Gmail, and it's super simple once you know where to look. After clicking the plus sign, you'll be directed to a new window where you can explore add-ons for Gmail. In the search bar, type in Trello for Gmail. It's important here to ensure you're selecting the right integration, and typing the full name will help make sure of that. Once the results populate, find the option for Trello for Gmail. Go ahead and click on it. This action opens up another window where you can read about the add-on, its features, and how it's going to benefit you. The next step is to install this add-on. You'll find an install button prominently displayed on the page. Click on it to begin the installation process. A quick tip, during installation some pop-ups might appear, so it's always good to keep an eye for that. Now once you hit install, a window will appear prompting you to continue. This screen essentially confirms that you want to enable this add-on. Click on the continue button to proceed. Now it's possible that your Gmail account might prompt you for your credentials again. Here you may need to log in with your Google account to give necessary permissions. Once authenticated, it's time to give the add-on the permissions it needs to function within your Gmail. Click allow when prompted to grant the required access. This is a crucial step because it integrates Trello seamlessly with your Gmail, allowing for all future interactions. After you've allowed access, a confirmation should appear, letting you know the installation is complete. You can now click on Done to finalize this process. To keep your workspace neat and tidy, you can close the menu, which will return you to the main Gmail interface. Finally, look over to the right side of your inbox. You should now see the Trello icon among your options. Clicking this will activate the integration, allowing you to start using Trello within Gmail. I hope this guide was helpful, and you are now ready to enjoy the benefits of having Trello integrated with your Gmail. Thank you for joining me today, and make sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy organizing!